Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Robert Casimiro.
You know, like Nina, I am so thrilled to be here. And like Nina, we have been taught from when we were kids that when you come to perform someplace, you should honor the people and the land that you are at. So with that in mind, I've been busting my brains trying to figure out this chant, which I wrote for Kauai. But as some of you may know, I'm not that young whippersnapper that came here 80 years ago. But a little something for Kauai and for these lovely, dear people and the faces that I remember. I have been to Washington, D.C., I was in Japan, I was in Boston, and Dallas and Dulles. I like these faces better. Can't stay away from this island, no matter where I may roam. I'm coming back to Kauai to make Kauai my home. 'Cause where I live, there are rainbows with life and the laughter of morning. And starry nights and starry, my sweet Pikakele. Oh hey, oh hey, kui po my name. You don't have to clap. I'm just so happy already. Just one clap is enough that we can just move on to the... Remember that, Kathy, when we used to do that one clap days? That's all I need. These days, I'm just happy to be breathing, singing. So how about one clap? 1, 2, 3. That's it. That's good. That's good. This is Alika Parker, and he's going to do a song. So you know, one of my favorite Hawaiian composers is Helen Deshay Beamer. And she wrote this song for a home along the, well, they call it the Kohala Coast now. It's called, the home was Mahaiula. And this is for that place. Haele. Haelea ita uwala kikona wakamakema. E ki paeluana e ho'ona lea me puanani a me kapala ahihi I kailua kau I kamoku I mua hei noa. Awaku oe a kai loa kaulana konai ke kai malino. E oe puanani me kapala ko Alika.